Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Claude AI to debug your code step by step and fix errors efficiently. First, open Claude AI in your browser and start a new chat. Paste the code you want to debug into the chat box. Make sure to include any error messages you're seeing for the best result. Next, type a clear instruction such as please find and fix errors in this Python code. Or explain why this code isn't running and suggest corrections. Claude will analyze the code and provide suggestions, pointing out errors line by line. It often explains why each problem occurred and gives correction code you can copy directly. If you want, ask Claude for additional improvements like optimizing performance or adding comments for clarity. This makes the code easier to read and maintain. Finally, test the corrected code in your development environment, and if any issues remain, repeat the process with Claude for guidance. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.